Ako po si James Magallanes, dito po operator ng 60cm Shirt Canituan Luna Plaza. Nagamit ko ito ng 7 beses isang linggo na may total na 269 meters. Ito po yung head, capping at wiper. Ganito naman po yung tamang bucket lid. Tapos mag-head clean, panatiliing punasan ng capping. At wiper. Ganito naman po yung tamang pag-nozzle check. Buo naman po siya. Ito po yung waste tank, kakapalit lang nito kahapon. Ground wire at DVR. Ito naman po yung ink tank ko, nasa tamang level lang naman po. Ito naman yung use ko at unused. Meron akong siyam na white, 3 yellow, 3 black, 1 magenta, 7 solution. Ito naman yung consumable withdrawal ko from January 26 to February 1. 2 film po yung nagamit ko. 2 resin powder, 1 QE solution, 3 white, 1 yellow, 1 black, 1 magenta at 1 cyan yung nagamit ko sa buong linggo. Dahil kinuha po ng OIC namin yung record namin. Ito naman yung daily output recording ko from January 26 to February 1. Updated naman po. At dito na po magtatapos yung vlog ko. Maraming salamat po.